Graduation day sa Tina. Today is the graduation day of AD. Yay! Parang hindi ka masaya. So mag-start daw ng 1 o'clock. So dito muna kami sa kotse kasi 12:30 pa. Pwedeng pumasok. Si Mami iwan. Iniwan ni Daddy. Kahit gusto namin isama, pero hindi pwedeng isama. Kasi matagal. Matatapos daw yung graduation around, anong oras, AD? Mga 6 PM. So, kahit gusto namin isama si Mami, hindi namin masama. Dahil, mahihirapan siya sa loob. Maiinip. Okay, so abangan nyo ang buong graduation rites ni Ashley Daniel Morales, aka Engineer. Asan yung color yellow? Yes! Hindi ko siya alam yan. Ay, halagay yan. Teka lang, tingnan natin sa iba kung paano halagay.
Papato ko lang.
Oo nga, saan ulo? Saan? Saan?
Ito yung harap.
Ha? Hindi natin sa iba. O, tama naman. Hindi, baba.
Diba, tama.
Ba't sa kanila sobrang baba? Tinan mo sa kanila, ayos sa ayos yung plancha. Tinan mo naman ako, lukot na lukot. Tayo dyan. Men, di mo man lang pinlansya, men. Tinan mo naman, men. Oh, tinan mo yung kay ano doon sa isa, oh.
Okay lang, eh.
Tingin. Okay lang yan. Importante, papasa ka sa board exam. Kahit gusto yan, no? Kaya pinaka-importante dyan. Okay lang yan. Importante ka, graduate ka. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Trivia, bakit siya naka-rubber shoes? Bakit naka-sneakers? Wala po magkasya sa kanya sapatos. Size 13, sikip sa kanya. My goodness. Pag nagtanong, dala mo naman yung sapatos, diba? May nagtanong sa kanya, dala po namin yung sapatos na size 13, hindi kasya. Ano ka naman? Harap ka dito. Oo, tama. Ganyan konti. Yan. Yan. Ganyan. Yes. Den, den, den. Harap ka naman dito. Yes. Shout out po sa mga taga-Papua. Graduate po ito. Civil Engineering. Bakit sa kanila parang ang laki? Ba't sa'yo ang liit? Kailangan ba naka-necktie? Naka-necktie iba. Hindi lahat sila naka-black shoes. Patay tayo. Nakapagalitan ka. Ha? Ha? Eh hindi, naka-black shoes din, oh. Tanong ko to kung may cutter sila sa kagulting. Ha? Hindi, picture tayo dun sa PICC. Ha? Wala akong pin. Huwag mo akong pahanapin sa mga pagkakataong to. Yun, oh. Halika na. Ito, hindi sa taas. siya manggagaling sila.
Shamara Kim Si Chang.
Let's all rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and the Doxology.
Lupang hinirang, di ka nang magiging sa manlulupi, di ka pasisir. Sa natakat puno, sa simula, sa langit ang magaw, maninanong mula at ang isa, paglayang minamahal, ang isat ng matawat mo'y kagumpay na nanginigin, ang ito rin na karanyang kailan, pag may di matinigin, lupa na parang nangol, ating pagsinta. Sa piling mo, nang hindi kaya lang mo, may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. You are the light we see. You are the truth we know.
Join me giving a round of applause to all our parents and our guardians. The gesture of gratitude, our love, our affection, and thankfulness for hearing us and helping us endure 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. So, what's gonna happen to you? What's gonna happen to you guys? As mentioned earlier, I started working a week before this exercise in the same hall because of necessity. So most of us, after graduation, we look for a job, right? So you have a few choices. Be an employee, you look for a job, and if you get a job, it is good at the early stage, you plan ahead. Try to picture yourself, nasan ba ako 5 years from now, 10 years from now? Dito ba ako magkakaugat? Or am I like a typical millennial jumping from one company to another without setting a career? You plan ahead. Plan your professional future. My recommendation is that you choose an organization, a business organization, that matches your business ethics. Because you're pure, your integrity is tight, your vision is clear. So you choose an organization that matches and fits your business ethics, that matches your skills, that more or less the people you will work with are ideal persons to hone your character as a person and as a professional. Anything you think and in anything you do in life, you plan to achieve to be the best. Ichiban, number one. Kung ikaw ay mag-negosyo ng isang auto shop, you should be the best in the community. Not naman in the whole world. It's crazy, no? Diba? You have to be the best. If you want to be a designer, planner, urban planner, plan to be the best. Because in reality, if you fail, you're still up there. Kesa wala kang plano. Okay? Second, be honest and trustworthy all the time. First to yourself, to your neighbors, to your family, to everybody. Be honest in conducting business. Be honest in your conduct in your daily life and in dealing with friends and associates. Huwag kayong magnanakaw. Hindi lamang pera, kundi pati salita, kundi pati infringement of intellectual property, ang mga makabagong pagnanakaw na nangyayari ngayon sa negosyo. Pangatlo, habang kayo ay nagnenegosyo, katrabaho, dumadaan ang panahon, from today until you're 30, you're 40, you're 50, you meet a lot of people outside, inside your business, etc. Be nice to all of them.
Ashley Daniel Morales. Mark Daniel A. Naranjo. Morales. Mark Daniel A. Naranjo. Dominic Jeswin Y. Ong. Reuel Angelo Marie R. Padilyon.
I knew Mapua is more than just a school. It transcends a legacy of excellence, a place the world is waiting for us. Let's go and make a difference. Thank you.
The receptional.
Congratulations to all of you, and please continue to strive to excellence as graduates of Mapua University. Viva Mapua! Hey! Pwede na!
Ano daw wish nyo kay AD?
Top 5 sa board.
Grabe, pressure. Top 5.
Muntik na ako mag-cum laude eh.
May lechon ha?
Isang lechon.
Hindi ko papalan.
Oh, payag ka doon. Challenge accepted. Ayun. O, ikaw, Kat, anong message mo? Janine Bardeen. Janine Bardeen, anong message mo daw? Mag-aaral mo po tayo. Ha? Tapos na ka mag-aral eh. Graduate na nga, diba?
Kasi mag-exam siya eh.
Okay, boards. Ikaw, kuya, anong wish mo?
Sinex-sina.
Ha? Ano?
Sinex-sina.
Nagsasaya? So, Daddy. Daddy, ikaw, ano mo? Anong wish mo kay AD?
Makapasa lang ako.
Nakapasa lang.
Walang challenge. Ano yun? Basta nakapasa. Mercy?
Happy birthday to you.
Nakakatawa ka sa pagkakas. Sa anak ko.
Relax na oras.
Ay, third report. Lumang tama.
Happy birthday! Ayun sila nagpipicture taking.
Pasa sa board. Ano?
Sapak.
Lola Dora.
Kay Janine. Janine Bardeen.
You are welcome. Ano ba gusto mo, boy o girl? Boy o girl? Gender reveal? Gender reveal ba?
Nasaan na ba sila? Naghihintay na sila. Pipicture tayo doon. Ate Yoli, ano wish mo kay AD? Sana girl.
Ayun na.
Sana girl.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Doinks TV. Bye!